All right, first and second graders, we are going to be doing our phonics page, PL 140. So we're going to start off with the spiral review. Make the verbs past tense. So teach, so we're talking about when it's already happened. So I'm going to teach the kids, I taught, T-A-U-G-H-T. Want becomes wanted. Eat becomes ate, A-T-E. Blow becomes blew, B-L-E-W. Look becomes looked, E-D at the end. Care becomes cared. You add that D at the end. Okay? All right, so now we're doing a review. Put the words in the word bank in alphabetical order. And if you notice, they all start with L's. Okay? So we need to look at the second letter. There's an A there, A, U, U, and A. So we have 3 words that start with an A. So we need to look at the third letter for the words that start with L-A. And this one is L-A-C, L-A-P, L-A-S. C comes first, so I'm going to write that one first with lack, L-A-C-K. P comes before S, so it's lap. And lash is the third word. Okay, so now the other words that start with L-U, now I look at the third letter. C is going to come before M and S, so luck is fourth. M comes before S, lump is fifth. And then, of course, lush is last. On the back of the seahorses, it says for each set of guide words below, write a word in the box that you would find on that page. So this one's pretty open-ended as long as it makes sense. So on page 56, it says right-handed and ripe. So you can think of a word that would go in between right-handed and ripe. So I might say rip would be a good word. That would go in between those 2 words. Hair-raising and halt. I would say probably hairs. Okay. Between delighted and democracy, I'm going to say demand. Between sunburn and superior, supper. Or no, super. Between threadbare and throttle, I'm going to say throats. Unhealthy and unite. I'm having a tough one. I'll have to come back to that one. Volleyball and vulture. Void. Distaste and disturb. No, not distant. I'll come back to that one. Assignment and astray. Come back to that one too. This is pretty tough. Basement and bat. Based. Okay. How about, okay, so now let's go back up here. Unhealthy and unite. Unicorn. There we go. Okay. Distaste and disturb. Distasteful. Sometimes you just have to go, you have to skip it and come back to it. Assignment and astray. Astounding. All right. Okay, now on the back of the clownfish, for each word below, write the correct page number where you would find the word based on the guide words. So the word we're looking at is ring. So would it be found between right-handed and ripe or rip-off and rivet? Well, right-handed and ripe, it looks like it would go right in between there, and it wouldn't go in between these two because P is higher than N. So it's going to be page 56. Okay. Ham. Is it going to go between hair raising or halt? Well, it can't go in between here because M, H-A-M, H-A-L, it won't go in between there because M is higher than L, but it's going to go in between H-A-L and H-A-N, so 26. For degree, it's going to go page 11. Sunrise, between sun and super, 68. Thicket, it's going to go on 78. Uniform, 82. Vocalist, 90. Distress, says dist, but this one D-I-S-D, and that's higher in the alphabet than here, so it's going to be 15. Assist, so A-S-S-I-G, A-S-T, so it's going to be 2, okay? Battle, this one's tricky because it says B-A-T, but it would be even higher up here in the alphabet because there's even more after the B-A-T. So B-A-T-C-H or B-A-W. So there's 6. All right, and that is our lesson for today.